Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making eggless tutti-frutti cake. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and grease an 8-inch cake pan from inside with cooking oil. We are using spring-form cake pan, but you may use normal cake tin as well. Line greased cake pan at bottom and all sides with parchment paper, that is butter paper. Greasing and lining pan helps easy unmolding of cake after baking. Take 1 cup milk at room temperature in a bowl. Stir in 1 cup sugar and dissolve it completely. We are using granulated white sugar, but you may use powder or brown sugar also. Keep the bowl aside for a while. Now take 2 cups maida, that is all-purpose flour, in a large mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons baking soda into flour and mix well. Then add 150 gram melted butter and sweetened milk into bowl. Also add 2 teaspoons white vinegar and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or essence. Stir to mix everything well until lumps-free batter is attained. You may use a fork or an electric beater to mix batter. Now take 150 gram mixed tutti-frutti and raisins in a bowl. You may reduce or increase the amount according to your liking. Sprinkle with 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour over tutti-frutti and raisins. Toss well to coat all evenly, then add them into cake batter and gently fold them until evenly dispersed into batter. Pour batter into prepared cake pan. Smooth the top surface with a rubber or silicone spatula. Place pan into preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Open the door of oven and check doneness by inserting a skewer into center of cake. It should come out clean. If not, then bake further for 5 or 10 minutes until well baked. Remove pan from oven after cake is well baked and allow cooling for 10 to 15 minutes in pan itself. Then unmold and remove papers also. Allow cooling completely before slicing to serve. Enjoy. Please write your views and experience in comments column below. Your feedback is really important for us. Thanks.